Hi everyone, so I thought I'd show you my latest DRK Maker Team parcel that I've been sent. So this is what I've actually chosen from their website. And so I chose some bits that I have used before because I just love them and I've now run out. So I thought, you know what, we're going to go for that. So I got myself, first of all, got some transfer tape because I have now got my scan and cut. And so I can start doing vinyls and all kinds of other things. So I'm very excited. So I've got some transfer tape, this is standard grip transfer tape, 12 inches by 48 inches. So this is going to come in handy. Then I also ordered some A5 adhesive sheets, and this time I went for 3 packs because I bought these, well, I got these before in my last one of my last Maker Team parcels, and I have used all 5 sheets and they are so good. They die cut so well. And so these A5, you get 4 pieces in a pack, so I've got 12 in total here, but I really like them. So I would, if you're looking for a double-sided adhesive sheet, because not all companies, well, I've tried quite a few over the years, and you know, some of them are really good and some of them just don't die cut very well. I found these do die cut nicely, especially for like your more intricate type things, type die cuts. So yeah, these are if you want some that works, this is I found these very good, so hopefully you will too. And then I also went for this Finding Paradise. Now I almost went for these papers last time, but I didn't because there were other things I wanted. But this time around I thought, you know what, I'm going to. So let's have a quick look through, because I haven't actually looked through this yet. I've literally only got this morning, this parcel. So we have, it's an 8x8 pack. I was tempted to get the 12x12 as well, but I only went for the 8x8 in the end. You get 48 sheets, 4 sheets of 12 designs. So we've got this kind of orangey kind of leopard print, which is quite cool. Then we've got this flamingo, which I quite like. That's quite a nice flamingo print, quite like that. Flamingo print. Then we've got like kind of abstract. I quite like that. That's quite nice. Quite like that. Then we've got this one, Love Hot Pink. This is good with the little sort of fern leaf type design on it. Quite like that. Then we've got like a jungle leaf. That's cool. Then we have some lemons, I presume they are. I presume they're lemons. Then we've got like a jungle kind of lion print. And we've got a nice pink floral. We've got a green background, lovely times, sunny days, adventure, wild at heart. We've got like an abstract kind of pink background print. We've got some parrots on a tree. And last but not least, have that beautiful floral on the back. So yeah, they're quite cool. And then to go along with those, I also got the die cut shapes, because I just thought quite often I struggle a bit with what to put with things, and I like when you've got like ephemera that goes with your patterns and your papers and whatever. So we've got some little leaves and some flamingos. They're nice. They're lovely little flowers. And then also some lemons, which is cool. And I have got some lemon dyes, so I might end up using those with those. So in total you get 16 die cut shapes, and I believe there's 4 of each, so yeah, that would make sense. So yeah, so that's those. Then I also got this A5 premium adhesive glitter card. Now I really didn't realise that this was going to look so gorgeous. I don't know if on the camera you can really tell, but with that ring light on it, you can see like the electric blue and the hot pink all together. I did get a white adhesive glitter card before, which I used on, if you look back through my channel, you'll see around Christmas time I actually got made a card, a globe, like a snow globe card, aperture card, and I used the glitter adhesive card on that, and it die cuts really well, which is why I thought, right, let me get some more. So this is beautiful, is all I can say. It looked quite nice on the website, but actually when you get it in real life, it looks amazing. So it's 130 GSM, which is a good weight. Actually, that's decent, because that's decent for die cutting. It's not too heavy, it's not too thick. 12 sheets, 2 of each colour, and obviously it's A5. But look at that! Oh my day! Look at the colours in that. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's blue and there's pink. That is mesmerising. We've got a gorgeous teal. I love a teal. That's beautiful. Then we've got a green. That is also beautiful. A yellow, also beautiful. Got a couple of little dots on there, but it's fine. Rub them off in a bit. A nice red. Oh, that would have been good for Christmas. That would have been. And then another beautiful, like a hot pink. Wow. Very impressed with those. They are very beautiful indeed. I also got some more of the white as well, but I got the pack that's got the white and the black, because I think before I got one that was just white. I think maybe I didn't. Maybe I got white and black. No, I think I just got one that was white. I don't think I had the black. But anyway, so I just thought, yeah, I'll go with the black and the white. So I got 2 packs of that because of how well it die cuts. Then I also got some more of this holographic card. Now, if you've watched my channel before, you'll know I have used this many times, and I absolutely love this holographic card. The holographicness of it is way better than any other holographic card I've ever had. So, I mean, you can see the rainbows bouncing around there. It's just beautiful. Really beautiful. So, yes, had to get some more of that. I've also bought this before in the past, this rainbow card. But again, I use it a lot, and I've pretty much rinsed out my last pack. So I had to get some more because I just love it. I also, again, a lot of these are repeats because I'll rinse them out. So this tropical card back, again, I have bought this before, and I've actually got a folder from where I've had so many packs. But I've completely run out of the pink, and I've completely run out of some like the purple, I think some of the teals. So I just thought I'm going to have to order another one. It's beautiful. And I'm also, before I get on with that one, I also had to order some more of the mermaid and unicorn one, because again, I've pretty much rinsed out every single colour. So I had to get another pack of these. So this is 8 colours, 1 of each colour, 250 GSM, and the same with this, 8 colours, 1 of each colour, 250 GSM. So I had to get some more of those. Now this is a new one. Now I haven't had this before, but I was like, glitter card. I do need some more glitter card. I would like some pink. I'd like some, I always use hot pink. I don't think I've got any red. And I kind of wanted a purple as well. So this is what I went for. Right, so this is 300 GSM. So this is a very good weight. And actually, let's have a quick feel. Yeah, that's good. That's a good weight. That's a nice weight. It's A4. You get 24 sheets, 4 colours, 6 of each colour. So let's have a look what we've got. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. That is stunning. And again, I don't know if you can really see the colours properly, but it's kind of like a pinky red. But I mean, this is pink posy, pretty posy this is. So they're all kind of pinky purplies, but that's really, it could be red, but it's kind of a pinky red, but I really like that. Then there's a beautiful lilac-y purpley colour. That is a stunning colour. Of course, again, I ordered this very late at night, and I was sort of half asleep, and I was just kind of quickly going through. Yep, I love that. Yep, that looks cool. Yep, and I didn't really realise quite what I was ordering, but I did a very good job, clearly, because this is stunning. Wow, I love that purple. Goodness me. Oh my goodness. Oh, I couldn't get any better, people. This is beautiful. I don't know if you can really see the colour properly. It's like a rose gold, almost. Like a pale pink, almost heading into that rose gold kind of. Oh, that is beautiful. That is stunning. Oh my days, it can get better, seriously. And then we've got this one, which is like a iridescent pink. Wow, that is stunning. See, now the thing is, things like this, you kind of don't want to use. This is so beautiful. And it's nice, it's non-shed. You can feel, can you hear that? It's like a non-shed, so it's not going to shed anywhere. But it's got way more glitter to it than some non-sheds you get are a bit dull. These are not dull, as you can probably see. Well, that was a successful package that was. So yes, and as you can see, mainly pinks and purples because they are my favourite colours. I mean, obviously you've got different ones in here. You've got greens as well in here, and yellow as well, and reds. But yeah, so that is what I got from my latest DRK Maker Team. So stay tuned because I will be using these soon. In fact, if I get a chance to, I will try and put a little one on the end for the Finding Paradise. But yeah, I'll probably end up doing a separate video with makes in it. But yeah, so that's what I got from my Maker Team video. That's what I got from my Maker Team parcel. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. It's very short, but hopefully it will inspire you to go and have a look at the DRK site. Because as you can see, they've got some amazing products. They've also got, and these came up on the site the next morning. So I ordered this late night, sort of like sort of 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, you know, in the morning. And then the very next day, they had some shaker elements that went up. So they've got a brand called Dress My Craft, I think it was called Dress My Craft. I think it's something like that. And they had shaker elements, and they had like lots of little mixes of like little tiny watermelon slices, orange slices, lemon slices, strawberry, pineapple, little all different things, all loads of different things, like confetti bits and sprinkles and all kinds of things. And I would have liked to have had some of those. So stay tuned. I might still get some. But yeah, definitely go and check out the DRK Crafts website. A lot of things are massively reduced in price. Obviously, they've got things, if you have a cutting machine, like a Cricut or a Silhouette or a Scan and Cut or whatever, they do have vinyls, first edition. They've got vinyls, loads of different ones, and they're really good. I did order a silver and a gold. One was an iron-on, one was a normal, and I have actually used the iron-on to make a t-shirt, which I'm actually wearing at the moment, funnily enough. So yeah, go and check them out because they do have a lot of things. They've also got a Poggy heat press, which was when I last looked, and I almost bought it actually. It was reduced down from like 119 something pounds down to 44.99, I think it was. It was massively reduced. So yeah, go and have a look. They've got lots of lovely products over there. So yeah, and you'll be seeing all of these things in projects coming up very soon. So stay tuned. So make sure you go and check out DRK Crafts. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to DRK Crafts as well. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, like this video, please, if you can, and leave a comment down below. That'd be great. And I'll see you next time. Bye.